Dollar dips as markets await clues on Fed's rate cut plans. The dollar experienced a slight decline on Wednesday following a previous rise triggered by higher-than-expected U.S. inflation data. Investors are consolidating gains while awaiting more economic indicators that could offer insights into the Federal Reserve's plans for interest rate cuts later this year. The U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, showed a solid increase in February, surpassing expectations and indicating some inflation persistence. Although the CPI's 0.4% rise met forecasts, the year-on-year gain of 3.2% slightly exceeded the expected 3.1% increase. Core figures also exceeded estimates. While markets don't anticipate a Fed rate cut before summer, the likelihood of rate cuts in June has slightly eased to about 67%. However, the dollar index, which measures the dollar against other major currencies, slipped slightly despite posting gains of 1.5% so far this year. Analysts suggest that the CPI report's implications for immediate Fed policy changes are minimal, but a somewhat more hawkish tone may emerge in upcoming communications, supporting the dollar's upside risks. Investors are now focused on upcoming U.S. retail sales data, the Producer Price Index, PPI, report, and jobless claims for further evidence of economic slowdown. Last week, Fed Chair Jerome Powell hinted at the Fed's confidence in falling inflation, suggesting potential rate cuts. Elsewhere, the pound and the euro saw modest gains against the dollar. The European Central Bank, ECB, is considering rate cuts during spring, while data suggests borrowing costs are affecting the Eurozone economy negatively. Against the yen, the dollar saw a slight increase, while attention turned to spring wage negotiations in Japan, crucial for the Bank of Japan's policy decisions regarding negative interest rates. Expectations are high for significant pay raises, with demand surpassing levels seen in the past 30 years. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate, backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.